Hello there, how are you doing today? This is a good one and another one for those, especially those doing business and all that. And the video is about how to open a business account in the bank or a corporate account, be it Naira or in dollar, in less than 5 minutes. Yes, I said it, 5 minutes. All right, but the thing is this. Just like any food you want to cook, maybe Indomie or anything you want to do, your preparation determines how long it will take you to do that. You need to go and get the raw materials, buy it and have it done, maybe chop some things and have it done. So the preparation time determines how long it will take you to produce this or execute it. So the same thing, that's what I want to share with you on how to open a corporate account, all right, in less than 5 minutes, all right? So if you have the things I want to share with you ready, if you go to the bank in about 5 minutes, you should get that done, all right? Sometimes you may never go to the bank. Sometimes the bank marketers and all that, they come to you, all right? So you get everything done. You just go and complete the remaining formalities, all right? So what do you need to get first of all, you need to have your business officially registered, either as a business name or as a private limited liability. Could be PLC, but that's the advanced level, all right? So as a business name or a private a limited liability company. Yes, a business name. Some people don't even know this. All right, a business name. With a business name, you can open a corporate account, a business account. You can. Yes, you can. All right. So with that, after you get your business name, get your certificate ready and a photocopy of it, you have your TIN number ready also. Because a corporate account is always attached with a TIN number. So if you didn't get that when you opened your account, quickly go to the nearest FIRS office, the nearest tax office, and apply for a TIN number. It's something they can generate and give you the same day. All right, it's not very it's not very time taking. It doesn't take a lot of time. Just go to the nearest FIRS office. All right, they call them MSTOs and all that. Go there, apply for it, and they can give you your tax number. Usually it's even very synonymous with your VAT number, all right? They can give you that. So you have your FRS number, which is your TIN number, your CAC, which is your certificate of registration, be it business name or a private limited liability company. Then the next thing is you need a passport photograph if it's for yourself, or if you have a partnership, maybe you and your partner. If you have directors, maybe you and your directors as well. A passport photograph, a physical passport photograph, all right? Then you have a means of identification, an ID, maybe international passport, driver's license or national ID card, all right? Any of these three will serve. You have that ready for yourself and for whoever is, part of the signatory to that account or part of the people opening that account, all right? So these are three things I've mentioned. Then what do you do now? You will need 2 referees. These 2 referees for now in Nigeria, they need to be companies. They can't be individuals that will sign as referees for you. They have to be companies, all right? That's corporate bodies or a company that has a corporate account that has run for at least 6 months. All right, so not just any company or any corporate account, but an account that has run for at least 6 months and is not dormant. All right, so you can get the referee from them. And some may ask, how do I get the referee form without going to the bank? On one of the days you're strolling past the bank, you can just pick the referee forms and I'm going to come back. Remember, you are preparing to make your food in 5 minutes. All right, so you get the referee forms, look for referees, friends, colleagues, neighbors, ancestors, anybody for them to sign, all right, or you'll be able to they're just like guaranteeing you, all right, okay. And if you can get from the same bank, people that have accounts in that same bank, usually faster to verify, all right. So both for business name or for limited liability is the same thing, all right. You need at least 2 referees. So many banks even have these forms online, so you can go to their websites and download the referee form. So you don't have to go to the bank, download it, print it, and go quickly sign it. All right. Once you have these things ready, like I said, your CAC, your TIN number, your means of identification, passport photographs, then your referees, your referee forms, 2 of the forms, and maybe a little money because they may need some money to deduct some things if you want to, maybe for verification of your utility. I've said 5. The 6th one is a utility bill to verify your address. It could be your light bill, it could be water, it could be environmental bill. All right, yeah, you can go to your local government area and use your environmental bill, like how much you paid for waste disposal and all that. They can generate one that has your address. Banks also use that, all right? So with 6 of these documents, all right, in fact, some banks even help people get it, all right? So with these 6 documents, if you have them ready, you can now go to the bank. And when they say, what about this? I have it. What about this? I have it. So it's just to fill the forms, all right? If you have your partners or directors with you, they can even fill it before, at the same time, or you take it back. So when you have all these, you can quickly get all these things filled in less than that time and submit. And once you submit it and everything is intact, all right, then they can open your account. If you are using, if you're a sole proprietor, okay, you alone can open a business account. But if it's a partnership, they will need you to have maybe what they call a deed of partnership. It's just a simple document that shows that you're in partnership with this person. All right. So with that, they recognize both of you. And there's what they call also the board resolution. It's just a formal letter on your letterhead that gives that shows, okay, who are the signatories to this account, or the bank, the owners of the account, the directors or the partners, or you are authorized that so person should be the sole signatory or double signatory or whatever thing. They will explain that to you. But those things, that one is a little bit secondary. So don't think there's so much. We just listed 6, then one of them 7. Remember, it's a corporate account you're opening. It's business, and business is serious. All right, so if you get this ready, you can actually do this. What overwhelms people sometimes is when they go and they're not ready, they tell them this, they go come back, they tell them this, they go come back. So it now looks cumbersome, but it's not supposed to be so. If you have all this, you can quickly get this done in less than 5 minutes. But remember, the preparation may not take less than 5 minutes. It may take you a day or 2 or 3, but if you have all those things ready, the actual cooking of the account may take less than that. And remember, it's a corporate account, so you can just open your DOM account as one. Remember, I talked about having a DOM account as an individual or as a business because of so many things. In fact, I've put the link to that video right on that so that you can go click it and see why you should. In fact, more than ever before, you should now. All right, so if you learned anything, let me know in the comment sections. If you have questions, of course, do let me know in the comment section. All right, and the next video may be about your question, or I may just show you how maybe I've tackled it before. I'll give you a link to the video. And also do subscribe and click the notification button so that whenever there's a new update, there's a new tactic, there's a new knowledge I'm sharing, you'll be the first to get it. Share this video, invite your friends, all right, so that they can all learn. And if you all learn together, you can always share ideas, all right, so that you learn together, you grow together, so that you make certain mistakes and be mourning together. How about? All right. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Have a good one.